This report illustrates how different types of diets affect the environment and looks more closely at the specific influence the diet has on the environment by analyzing various environmental impact indicators within the dataset, including greenhouse gas emissions, land use, and water scarcity. Compares the environmental impacts of different diet types through multi-dimensional radargrams. The findings here indicate that the vegetarian and fish-eating diets have a reduced overall environmental impact and, from that perspective, compete with meat-eating diets, mostly regarding greenhouse gas emissions and land use. However, meat-based diets rate poorly on most environmental indicators overall, and GHG emissions and land use areas are outstripped by vegetarian and fish-eating diets. This result indicates that a meat-based diet increases pressure on the climate and land resources compared with other diets. The environmental impacts of diet types for the different age group categories were next analyzed. Though differences among age groups were slight, a higher level of impact for the 20 to 29-year-olds was found for meat-based diets due to higher levels of consumption in this category. When looked at through a gender lens, males create higher environmental impacts for meat-based diets, with greenhouse gas emissions and water use in agricultural processes being significantly higher relative to females. Analysis by gender indicated that environmental impacts from meat-eating diets were much higher for males than those for females, especially in greenhouse gas emissions and water use in agriculture. Some outliers were also found, especially with GHG emissions from meat-eating diets. Some participants